What's up, Lug Nut fans? What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day. It is East Lincoln time. As we walk into the pits of East Lincoln, we've been battling rain. You see, it's wet, it's nasty. As we walk into the pits here at East Lincoln, they're going to do Thunder Bombers. They're going to do Renegades hot lap qualifying at the same time. We're fighting rain. As you see, the clouds are coming. So sit back. Let's hope it's going to be a good video. Well, that don't look too good. Now on track, they're trying to do hot lap qualifying, but that is not showing too promising. So here we are, East Lincoln, back for round 2. There's some guys that are packing up. So we're trying to see what's going to happen. A little bit of sprinkle in the air. We're waiting to see what happens. Well, we might get it in, maybe. It is a It is a full car roll-in at this point. Trying to see what this cloud's gonna do. Well, I don't know if you can tell it from the camera or not, but it is raining. And this is about the 3rd time it's rained this time. East Lincoln did everything they could to try to get this thing in. Guys are rolling out. We're headed to the house, trying not to get drowned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think about the video, guys. We did get a little bit of coverage for you. Sad. Next week, headed to Charlotte. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think, guys. Have a great day.